In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails with Clickup. This can really streamline your workflow, saving you time and ensuring that important communications don't fall through the cracks. So let's dive right in and get started. First thing you'll want to do is go to Clickup's official website. It's known as the Everything app for work, and it's really quite comprehensive for managing your tasks and workflows. Once you're there, you'll see a login button on the top right hand corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to sign into your account. If you haven't connected ClickUp to your Google account yet, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. It's a convenient way to log in quickly without remembering another password. After clicking sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to associate with ClickUp. Just a heads up, if you're already logged into multiple Google accounts on your browser, make sure to pick the one that you want ClickUp to interact with. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the list where you'd like to set up an email automation. Just locate the particular list from your ClickUp workspace. After choosing your list, look for the automations option. It's usually towards the top of your list view. In the automations panel, there's a set custom field button. This option helps you customize automated actions within ClickUp, like sending emails. Now for our purpose, simply click on email. At this point, you'll click on continue. This button generally confirms that you intend to proceed with setting up an email automation. Now to specify which email account ClickUp should use, you'll need to select the account tied to the email address you want to automate messaging for. Once you've selected your desired account, click on select. This confirms your choice and moves you to the fun part, setting up the actual email content. Here you're going to fill in the essential details for your automated email, the recipient, the subject, and of course the body of the email. Enter the email address into the to field and follow it up with a compelling subject line to grab the recipient's attention. Next, dive into crafting the body of your email. Be concise yet informative, ensuring that your message retains the recipient's interest from start to finish. With everything set up to your liking, all that's left to do is click save. This action finalizes the automation process for sending emails via ClickUp, sealing the deal on your setup. And that's it, you've now set up automated emails in ClickUp. Remember, automating tasks like this not only saves you time, but can also enhance your team's productivity by ensuring important updates and communications happen consistently without manual intervention. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.